Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Today we have to discuss a small topic, cooking safely. How can we cook the food safely? So we should follow some safety measures while cooking the food. So which are they that we are going to discuss today? What are the safety rules we should follow while cooking food? Yes, some of the safety rules we should follow while cooking food are: before cooking food, first we should wash our hands, isn't it? So what first step we can write? Wash our hands. Wash our hands before cooking food. Okay, so before cooking, we should wash our hands properly. Okay, the next thing, we should wash the utensils. We should wash the utensils with the soap. Okay, so second safety method we can write. Second safety rule we should follow while cooking. Yes, we should wash the utensils. Wash the utensils by using soap or something. Okay, wash the utensils. Then third safety measures we can say, we should use fresh food items. Okay, we should use fresh food items. Use fresh food items, then only the food will be good for us or healthier for us. Okay, so the food use the fresh food items. Then we should not go too near to the fire. That is the next step we should follow. Okay, we should not go too near. Should not go too near to the fire. Too near to fire. Okay, so we should not go too near to fire. That is the another step we should follow while cooking food. The next thing, we should not wear loose clothes while cooking food. Okay, should not wear loose clothes while cooking food. Okay, so there is a chance for burning. We should hold the hot things. How can we hold the hot things? By using a cloth. Okay, so how can we hold the hot things? Hold hot things by using clothes. Okay, by using clothes. So we should not touch hot objects. Okay, we should not touch hot objects without using a cloth. So what we can do? Hold hot things by using clothes. That is the another step we should follow. Then after doing our work in the kitchen, what we have to do, children? Yes, we should off all the cooking appliances. Okay, or we should off the gas stove after cooking. So what we can write next? Yes, off the gas stove or cooking appliances after use. Okay, cook the gas stove or cooking appliance after use. These are some steps we should follow while cooking. Then we can cook the food safely. Okay, so which are the safety measures? Yes, wash our hands before cooking food. Wash the utensils with soap before cooking food. Use only fresh food items. Okay, then we should not go too near to the fire. Okay, there is a chance for burning. So we should not go too near to the fire. Then we should not wear loose clothes while cooking food. So there is a chance for burning. Our clothes will be burned by fire. Okay, so we should not wear loose clothes while cooking food. And polyester clothes also should not wear. Why? Yes, when we cook the food, sometime it is burning, then it will stick on our body. So we should not wear polyester clothes also. That means artificial fibers. The clothes made by artificial fibers also we should not wear while cooking food. Okay. The next thing, yes, we should hold hot things by using a clothes. Okay. Then off the cooking appliances after use. Of the gas stove after use. So these are some safety measures we should follow while cooking food. Okay. Now let us discuss workbook. So everybody everybody take your workbook. Page number 28. Cook safely. There is a small passage. So let us read that passage. Then we can do the workbook. Patna, in the village of Gandaman, about 23 children died after eating food provided at school. So Gandaman is a place, a village in Patna. The 23 children were died. Why they died? Due to the food that provided at school. The food was poisoned because the oil used for cooking. Why the children died? Because the food was poisoned. Why food is poisoned? Because the oil used for cooking was not good. It is believed that the oil was kept in a vessel or container used to store a chemical that kill insects. So why the oil was not good? It is because of spoiled. Why it is spoiled? Because it is believed that the oil was kept in a vessel. The vessel is used to keep this oil. Which type of vessel it was? Yes, it was used to store chemical that kills insects. Okay, so it was the reason 23 children were died. Now let us discuss the questions. Write 2 ways by which cooked food can become harmful. Yes, how these cooked food become harmful, children? Yes, one reason we can say the food is not cooked properly, then it will be harmful to our body. The food is not cooked properly. Then another thing we can say that the things used to cook are spoiled. Then also it will harm to our body. Okay, so how can we write the answer? The food is not cooked properly. So first one's answer we can give. The food is not cooked properly. Not cooked properly. Then it will harmful to our body. Then second one, the things used to cook are spoiled. Then also it will affect our body. It will harmful to our body. Okay. Then second question is, why do chefs wear gloves and cap while cooking? So we can see 2 chefs are working there. Chef means those who are working in the hotel or restaurant. We can call them chef. Okay. So why they are using gloves and cap while cooking food? Yes, if they wear caps so that the hair do not fall in the food. Okay. Then another thing, they wear gloves. Why do they wear gloves? Yes, they wear gloves so that their hands do not dirty the food. Okay, so how can we give the answer? Chefs wear caps so that hair do not fall in the food. Hair do not fall. Hair do not fall into the food. Then they wear gloves. So that their hands do not make the food dainty. So that their hands do not make the food. So that their hands do not make the food dirty or do not dirty the food. Okay. Chefs wear caps so that hair do not fall into the food. They wear gloves so that their hands do not dirty the food or do not make the food dirty. Okay. Second question. In steaming, we cook food by using steam. Should we use filtered water or normal water? Why? Yes, we can use filtered water because filtered water do not have germs. So we can write do not have germs. So you can write we should use filtered water. Because filtered water do not have germs. So we can use filtered water. We should use filtered water because filtered water do not have germs. Then the fourth question. Radha bought a packet of biscuit which had expired 2 months ago. Should she eat it? Give reason for your answer. She can eat that biscuit, children? No, she cannot eat it. Why, children? Because it is expired. So how it will affect her? Yes, it can make her fall sick. So how can we write the answer? Yes, she should not eat it, right? Okay, so we can write. Then fourth one, no. She cannot eat it because the food has expired. So why should she not eat it? Because it can make her fall sick. So this much only you have to write the workbook. Now let us discuss practice questions. So practice questions we discussed up to 5. Now 6th question is write 3 safety steps you would follow while cooking food. So now only we studied all the safety rules. So you can write any 3 safety rules. Wash hands before cooking food. Wash utensils by soap before cooking. Okay. Then we should use fresh food items. Then we should not wear loose clothes while cooking. So any 3 safety rules you can write. Then why do we need to wash our hands before eating food? Yes, we should wash our hands before eating food because there will be germs on our hand that we cannot see. Okay, so the germs will enter our body without washing and eating food. So we should wash our hand before eating food. Why are utensils used for cooking mostly made from metals? Yes, because metals heat quickly and pass the heat to food. That is why most of the utensils are made up of metals. Okay, metals heat quickly and pass heat to the food. So that most of the utensils are made up of metals. Okay, so this much only you have to write practice questions. So hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.